no more fear. Learn English and confidence with this movie trick in just 3 days. Just watch, repeat, and transform your English and your confidence at the same time. Do you know why? Because you have a fear of making mistakes. Well, stop it right now. This lesson is going to help you. Hey there, welcome back to WordCraft English. Today is an extra special day because today's lesson has the power to change your life. You heard that right. It's your turn to present in an important meeting, and suddenly your mind goes blank. That's why we've designed this lesson to be your ultimate toolkit for success. We're taking things to a whole new level by drawing inspiration from the world of cinema. You'll learn all this while expanding your vocabulary and improving your pronunciation. Prepare to be amazed as you witness the magic of cinema and language collide. It's time to take action. They are essential to our lesson. Show off your newfound confidence by using these phrases in your own sentences. Share them with friends or family and see how far you can take them. Words like training, disciplined, motivated, persistence, dedication, committed, prepared, focused, strength, power, and fight. These verbs are essential to our lesson, and understanding them will help you improve your English skills. In this movie, Eddie Mara, played by Bradley Cooper, discovers a drug called NZT48, which unlocks the full potential of his brain. Pay attention to these highlighted phrases. They encapsulate the essence of clear thinking and focused determination. Notice how Eddie uses precise and evocative language to express his thoughts and intentions. His internal monologue reveals his clarity of thought and unwavering resolve. Now, let's practice repeating these phrases together. Embrace the power of focused language and watch your communication skills soar to new heights. As he takes the drug, Eddie experiences heightened cognitive abilities, allowing him to excel in various aspects of his life. Show off your newfound confidence by using these focus-building sentences in your own conversations. Share them with friends or family and see how far you can take them. Click here to watch this video and keep watching WordCraft English videos to become fluent faster and learn English step by step. Goodbye. The possibilities are endless. So go forth and conquer the world of communication with your newfound confidence. He becomes a stock market guru, attracting the attention of both admirers and envious competitors. Congratulations! Just imagine, how much progress you can make in just 3 days. If you enjoyed today's lesson, show us some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to WordCraft English. Your support means the world to us. Together, let's continue this amazing journey of learning and self-discovery. Thank you for joining us today. This time from the inspiring film, The King's Speech. Notice how Lionel uses phrases like, "That's a good start," "Your Majesty," "Well done," "You're doing great." These words of affirmation are essential to our lesson, and understanding them will help you improve your English skills. Now let's practice repeating these phrases together. Embrace the power of focused language and watch your communication skills soar to new heights. In this scene, King George VI, played by Colin Firth, works closely with his speech therapist, Lionel Logue, to overcome his stammer. Through their sessions, Lionel encourages the king to embrace his unique speech pattern and deliver a rousing speech to the nation. The scene showcases the transformative power of positive reinforcement and the importance of accepting oneself. However, as Eddie delves deeper into the world of limitless potential, he faces challenges and risks associated with the drug's addictive nature. Now let's practice repeating these verbs together. Embrace the power of focused language and watch your communication skills soar to new heights. The possibilities are endless. Go forth and conquer the world of communication with your newfound confidence. Notice how Chris uses concise and impactful language to express himself clearly and confidently. His determination shines through as he communicates with others. Now let's practice repeating these phrases together. Say them out loud and feel the confidence surge within you. Remember, clarity and conciseness are key to effective communication. So embrace the power of focused language and watch your communication skills soar to new heights. Don't let another day go by without mastering the art of clear and confident communication in English. Join us on this exciting adventure and unlock the doors to endless possibilities. In this iconic scene, Rocky, played by Sylvester Stallone, trains relentlessly to prepare for his upcoming fight with Apollo Creed. Despite facing doubts and skepticism from others, Rocky remains committed to his training regimen, pushing himself to the limit both physically and mentally. There's so much more to explore, and remember, consistency is key. Practice these focus-building sentences every day for 3 days and witness the remarkable transformation in your English proficiency. His unwavering focus and determination serve as an inspiration to all who witness his dedication. Trust me, your English will never be the same again. Brace yourself for an unforgettable cinematic experience, combined with powerful English learning. This scene features Chris Gardner, portrayed by Will Smith in the movie The Pursuit of Happiness. Despite facing homelessness and financial struggles, Chris remains determined to secure a better future for himself and his young son. As he navigates the challenges of the job market, he encounters a series of obstacles that test his resilience and perseverance. However, through it all, Chris's unwavering focus on his goal keeps him moving forward. We'll analyze the best movie clips featuring unforgettable characters who embody the qualities of staying focused, overcoming shyness, and conquering fear. Through their inspiring journeys, you'll gain valuable insights and practical tips that you can apply to your own English communication skills. But here's the best part. All it takes is just 3 days of practice to see a remarkable transformation in your ability to speak English with confidence. Yes, you heard that right. Just 3 days. Imagine how much progress you can make in just 3 days. Your colleagues and customers will thank you for it. Or perhaps you're in the middle of a job interview and your confidence starts to waver. What about those times when you're having a conversation and suddenly you draw a blank? Unable to recall the right words, or even worse, you feel a wave of anxiety wash over you. Fear not, my friends, because today's lesson holds the key to helping you stay focused, overcome shyness, and conquer fear when speaking English. Are you tired of feeling nervous, anxious, or fearful when you speak English? Maybe you're even scared to speak English. Today we're diving into the art of staying calm and focused, conquering shyness and defeating fear in just 3 days. Get ready to unlock the secrets of effective communication and watch your confidence soar. Whether you're preparing for important presentations, facing job interviews, or simply want to become a better conversationalist, this lesson is your ultimate guide to speaking English with poise and precision. You want to know a secret? Even native speakers get nervous sometimes, but they don't let it defeat them. And neither should you. Because you do want to miss out on the incredible mini challenge that will fast-track your progress. Ready to embark on this transformative journey with me? Let's do this! Welcome to WordCraft English, where learning meets transformation. I'm here to support you every step of the way and make sure you stick around till the end of the video now. Do you ever find yourself freezing or losing focus when you speak English? Picture this. We've all been there before. We know what it feels like to face these challenges when communicating in English. But wait, there's more. This isn't your average English lesson. Oh no! And here's the icing on the cake. Without further ado, let's dive into our first powerful movie clip. Okay, let's pay attention to these highlighted phrases. Next up, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Moving on, we have another powerful movie scene from the legendary film Rocky. As we observe Rocky's focused actions, let's pay attention to the verbs he uses to describe his training. But our movie-inspired English adventure doesn't end there. Our next scene comes from the captivating film Limitless. Now let's shift our focus to the protagonist's internal monologue. Remember, true confidence comes from within. It's about embracing who you are and honing your skills to express yourself fearlessly. As we continue our journey, let's dive into another powerful movie scene. As we witness the king's progress, let us pay attention to the encouraging words and affirmations used by Lionel to motivate and support the king. Each word carries the weight of encouragement and belief in one's abilities. As we wrap up this unforgettable cinematic journey, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. So you made it to the end of today's lesson. So if you liked this video, you will love this one.